Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is Nowsite's marketing newest price points and what you get with those price points. So yes, I've done videos before in the past about Nowsite and their features and the product, their platform, and their prices. But they have updated their price points, and this is nothing to be ignoring. This is actually pretty good. So I'm going to go over everything with you guys and show you guys in detail what the new price point is and what you get with each price point. It's going to be very valuable. And if you are a marketer, somebody who wants to market your business online and don't want to pay the thousands and thousands of dollars to an agency or to do all the research and education and waste all that time to learn how to do it properly, this is for you, and you don't want to miss out on this one. So with that, we're going to dive right into this, and I'm going to show you right now. So this is the Nowsite marketing website right here. This is their homepage. We're going to go to pricing right here. So click on pricing. So they have two prices now. Before they had three, and now they have two. So they have the most popular, it says the starter pack for $47 a month. And then the entrepreneur pack for $87 a month. Now we're going to go over each one of what includes what you get with that one and what it includes with that subscription base. Now the cool thing about this is that this is month to month, but they added a new thing to it, and there's no cancellation. there's no cancellation fees, no contract. You can actually just stop at any time if you feel that you're not getting value, or hey, it's not you just not right now. You can't use it right now, or you don't have time to put into it. And you should honestly, how simple it is and how time efficient it is, it helps actually save you time. There's no reason why you'd be doing that. But for some reason you need to cancel, I don't know why, you actually just cancel anytime with the email or call use their live chat support. So they also have a new deal that you can actually pay annually and save like 20% for the on your subscription. So if you decide to pay annual, you click on that, and it shows you what it is broken down per month. So it'll be for the starter, it'll be $37 a month. You'll be billed $444 for the year. It's not bad for a marketing system that's that done for you marketing system powered by AI, artificial intelligence. So that's pretty damn good. If you want the entrepreneur pack, it breaks down to $67 a month. And that's that 20% off. You actually get billed annually $804 for the whole year. That's damn good. I know people are paying over $5,000 a month for an agency to help them out with this. Now, this is not an agency, but there will be another video that's going to help you with that too. Stay tuned to my channels because you'll get more information on that one too. But so more about the pricing and what you get with this pricing. It's pretty cool. So we're going to go back to month. So we're going to start with the most popular, the starter package for $47 a month. Start making online quick and easy. Start marketing online quick and easy. Sorry. You get 10 websites, so you can actually create 10 websites, landing pages, capture pages, whatever you want to do. But you get 10 of them, and it used to be unlimited, but now it's 10. So we'll get back to more into that one. 3 AI campaigns, artificial intelligence campaigns. You get 3 done-for-you accounts. Done for you are pretty good. It's pretty cool. So it's basically if you have a company or you are a partner. This is more for network marketing people. They have a list of companies that they have marketing campaigns for. It's done for you. Everything's done for you. The website, the capture page, landing page, the email campaigns. What else? It's just, social marketing. It's done for you, and it's pretty dang nice. Images, all that good stuff. I have one for a company I partner with and use. It's fantastic. I love it. It's great for my team. Helps with duplication. It makes life easier if you're a big leader or a leader in general. But that's not the selling point of that one. You also get email marketing with this most popular starter package. So it's pretty nice. Email marketing, if you're not familiar with that, you probably already experienced that. If you opt into something and you're getting emails, I know big influencers do it. Companies do it. You buy something online and you subscribe to their newsletter. You get their email marketing. So they're marketing to you via email. Pretty nice, lovely, it's great feature. So you can actually do a lot with that one. So that's the starter pack. So that's $47 a month if you decide to go month to month. Next, you have the Entrepreneur Pack. Now, the Entrepreneur Pack, I actually recommend this one if you are serious about your business and marketing. If you don't want to play around, like bam, 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 this is great. This is like if you just want to get started, get your toes wet, dip it in the water, and see how it works. Go with the starter package. But if you really are serious about your marketing, you're tired of BSing, you want this to be successful with your business, you want your business to excel online with marketing and all that stuff, you want to go with the Entrepreneur Pack for this one, because I'll tell you why. Even every proven online marketing strategy at your fingertips. This is amazing, and I basically have this one. I actually upgraded, so I'm grandfathered into one of the old packages that they have. They don't have it anymore, but I pay a little bit more. I can easily downgrade to this one, but I like what I have right now. But I used to have this one before when they first came out with this, and it was great. Love it. It's amazing. So for what you get now, unlimited websites, unlimited AI campaigns, that's artificial intelligence campaigns, unlimited done for you campaigns, email marketing, team creation, and analytics. So if you have a team, if you want to communicate with your team, you can actually do chat, all that stuff. We'll go more into and everything like that. We'll do features another time, because this video will go long, real long. If you did every feature that they have that's incorporated and intertwined with the whole system. So you can actually do create teams, get analytics for all your websites, your marketing strategies that you do. You get actual analytics, Google Analytics, so it's nice. 2,500 retargeting ads. Amazing. So you may be familiar with paid advertisement and ads. You see them everywhere now for businesses and all that stuff on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, all that stuff. You see paid advertisements, but this is retargeting. You're more familiar with this if you actually shop at Amazon, because Amazon does it a lot. If you click on something, you look at it, and then you go to another website, even if you don't buy it, it pops up on the side or below or whatever. You'll see that item right there promoting to you, advertising to you. That's a retargeting ad, retargets to your customers. So that's amazing. It's actually done for you too. Amazing tools right there. So that's just a summary of what you're getting with all this stuff. There's everything more intertwined into it. But let's go back to the unlimited websites, because that alone is worth over $87. So you get unlimited websites. You can create websites, actually good dang websites. You get, what else? Capture pages you can create, landing pages, sales funnels, marketing funnels. If you're looking to do something like that, you want to go with this package for the $87 one. I actually recommend that one, because you get the unlimited websites, and that's key right there. So you don't have to worry about that one, and you can actually change it on the fly and all that stuff. So that's great. You also get the support. If you had any questions, they have live chat support included with both of these packages. Is great. Let me see if I can pull this up right here. So, all right, cool. So yeah. So this is their live. You get actually chat, or you can get technical support. You can book a call to schedule something. Hey, I got some issues. I need to go over stuff. It's actual live video chat, like over Zoom. They help you with it and go through your stuff. So you actually can have somebody help you personally if you get stuck without having to pay extra. Hire a marketing pro. Now that's an extra fee. That'll be for another video. So stay tuned, because I'm going to go over that more, because it's amazing. I tried it out myself, but I'll tell you more about that one later. Commissions support. So that's if you decide, hey, you want to get into their affiliate program, because they do have an affiliate program. Sales training and resources. So they give a lot of training for how to market your business when it comes to creating websites, capture page, landing pages, you can edit stuff like that on the fly. So for those who are more advanced and want to do more into it and put more into your website, and I always recommend having it a piece of yourself, your personality into your website and your business, because that's more genuine and you'll get more, I guess, leads, you call it. And the sales is up to you. That's your conversion. You have to deal with that yourself. But resources, they have it down there too. It's amazing. They have the whole calendar of when they have trainings and all that stuff like that, and just announcements. So it's pretty detailed, and I love it. So we'll go back to this, but that is what's Nowsite overall includes in these new prices. Great deals, great prices, great features, and I'm telling you guys, I've been using it for some time, and me personally, I like it. I will never get rid of this tool because it helps me keep organized with multiple things, multiple businesses I use. It helps me just save a lot of time. Helps me so I don't have to go research stuff too much. I still do research a lot of stuff because I want to excel even more, but that's just me. And that's why I do these videos, to help educate everybody out there too about things that I've come across, and to see if they can, if it helps me, I bring it to you guys so it can help you guys too for your businesses, and to get the best advantage when it comes to marketing your business online or anything else that I review. So that's the pricing for Nowsite Marketing now. Hopefully you got some value from this one. If you have any questions or concerns, do me a favor and go ahead and put it in the comment below, or give me a call. My number's in the comment under the description below. That's my personal cell phone number. You actually can call or text if you have any questions, or just want, you have some more questions or some concerns that you want to know more about Nowsite. Give me a call. That's my direct number. I answer questions all the time. People call me and they just want to know if it really works. And so, yes, it really works. But yeah, feel free to give me a call. I'll answer. Or if I don't answer, it's either because I'm on a call with somebody else, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, hey, if this is your first time checking out my video or my channel, do me a favor and hit that big red button below, that subscribe button, or click on one of these buttons right here to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because anytime I put out new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You got some value from this last one. You may want to check this one out too. So with that, guys, hopefully you got some value, and I'll see you back on the next one. And until then, take care, be safe, and be blessed, guys.